It's also possible for you to make custom libraries, export and import libraries inside of Camtasia so that it becomes much more easier for you to work across different projects or with different team members. So to do that, let us just go to library right here. And in library, on the menu right here, you'll be able to see that you have an option to create a new library. You can also download more assets from this section right here and add it to your library that is your custom library. So let us just create our new library right here and name it as TutorTube, just like this. Let's say I'm creating this for myself. So once I go to TutorTube, I want to have the intro and outro there. So I'm just going to click on Import Media and I'm going to import the intro and outro media that I have right here. Now, whenever I create a new project, I can simply go on to library and choose TutorTube and it'll be here. Another thing that you can do is you can go and click on download more assets and then go around and add in your assets right here, just like that. You can also go around over here and then let's say, for example, have existing contents on the library. So you can go around over here, you can press the plus button, you can import media to library right here and add in the media as well. Similarly, you can add in different elements. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go to Camtasia 2020 right here. And let's say I want to add this onto my library. So I'm just going to copy this to TutorTube just like this. And it is in my library right here, just like that. So now, in order to export and import your libraries, you simply go to File and then you go to Export. And over here, you can see Package is an option. So once you go to Package, what you can do is you can go around into your libraries and this is the library that I want to export. So I'm just going to select this out. Then I'm going to hit on Export and now you can see that this is the Camtasia package. So I can go on to my desktop and save it out right there. So that package has been exported. And if I want to import the package now, let's say I'm in another computer or I'm another user, then I simply go on to File and then I'm going to go to Import. And then I have to go to Package right here. And then I have to select the same Camtasia package. Once I open it, what happens is that TutorTube gets imported. But since I already had the TutorTube library, you can see that a copy has been created because it's the same name. And that is how you can make custom library, export and import libraries inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.